Hi everyone, I'm just about to start my workout for today. This is just a reshoot of a workout that I did last week while I was on vacation in Big Bear. I did two workouts at the Airbnb and I felt like the elevation was really affecting me a lot. It was really slowing me down, making everything a lot more challenging, hindering my endurance. So I was really curious to redo those workouts after I got back home to LA. So that's where I am now. So I'm going to start with the first of the two workouts that I shot last week in Big Bear. You can see that I have two plyo boxes here. The stair that I was using on the property when I shot the workout last week was kind of in between these two heights. So I am going to use both of these plyo boxes today. For the exercises where it is more challenging to have a higher box, I'm going to use the higher box. And for the exercises where it's more challenging to use the lower box, I'm going to use the lower box. So I'm increasing the difficulty a little bit. But other than that, and other than the elevation, it's the exact same workout. I will put a link up here to the video that I shot last week so you can see what this workout looks like up in the mountains. You can follow along with either workout. They're both shot in real time. Either way, the only thing you're going to need is either a plyo box or two. If you don't have a plyo box, any kind of elevated surface will work as long as it is strong enough and sturdy enough to support your entire body weight. We're going to be stepping and jumping on these, and I don't want anybody to get hurt, so a plyo box is ideal. But if you have a sturdy chair or a park bench or anything that's stable enough to hold your body weight, that should work just fine. If you don't have anything sturdy that will support your body weight, that's fine. Stick around because after the workout, I will show you modifications so that you can do this workout right along with me without stepping or jumping on anything, without any exercise equipment whatsoever. The only other thing that I wanted to mention before we get started is that although the level of difficulty is slightly elevated because of my plyo boxes, I'm anticipating that this workout should be a lot easier than it was for me last week up in the mountains because of the altitude. However, it is a lot hotter today than it was in Big Bear. Last week when I did this workout in Big Bear, the temperature was in the low 70s, and back home today, we're up in the low 90s. So it's a solid 20 degrees hotter, but I'm kind of used to working out in the heat. I'm not used to working out in the high altitude. So I still think that I should have a slightly easier time with this workout today than what happened last week, but that's why I'm doing this kind of a little experiment. I think today I will be happy if I could finish each round in 7 to 8 minutes. So I'm going to set my goal at 24 minutes. If I can finish in under 24 minutes today, I'll be very happy with that. And if I'm able to do that, that's going to be an improvement of 8+ minutes off of my time last week. So I'm really curious to see what's going to happen. If you want to go ahead and do the workout with me today, just go ahead, grab your sturdy elevated surface if you have them, if you're using them. Make sure you're getting warmed up, get ready, and let's go. I'm not going to go over the exercises because they're all very simple, self-explanatory, and I showed them all to you last week. So let's go ahead and get started with 20 bunny hops in 3, 2, 1, here we go. I'm using the lower plyo box for that exercise. The lower you are, the more challenging that is. Now we're going to switch to my higher plyo box for the step ups to increase the challenge a little more. So step up, jump up, reverse lunge, that's 1. 2, I very much feel like I'm going to hit my head on this awning. 3, it's very distracting. 4, that's 5, we're doing 10 on each leg. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Switching legs. So now stepping up with the other leg, step up, jump up, reverse lunge. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, back to bunny hops. Another set of 20. So we're just sneaking in a little set of 20 bunny hops between each of the other exercises, between each of the strength training exercises. Okay, so now I'm doing push-ups with my hands on the plyo box. You can elevate your feet instead for an additional challenge, but last week when I did it, I had my hands elevated. So I'm sticking with that. And I'm using the lower plyo box. The lower your surface, the greater the challenge. The higher your surface, the easier this will be. So the exercise is push up, knee tuck, knee tuck. That's 1. Push up, knee tuck. That's 2. 3. 4. That's 5. We're going to 20. One more set of bunny hops, 20 reps, and then we're on to our last exercise of the circuit. Here we go. 5, 10, 15, 20. Okay. Now for our pistol squat into a side lunge. I debated which height to use because this is kind of too low for me to even do pistol squats off of right now. I'm just not in good enough shape, my legs aren't strong enough, but I'm gonna do my best. I'll probably have to help myself up, but it's okay, they're assisted pistol squats anyway. So we're all good. Okay, here we go. Control the movement on the way down, even if your surface is low. And now if you can, you want to stand up without using your non-standing leg. I'm going to need to help myself just a little bit because I'm not strong enough yet to do it without any help. Straight into a side lunge. goal is to use your non-standing leg as little as possible. I'm counting that as my first rep. We're doing 10 on each leg. So that's 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9, last one. And 10. Other leg, same thing, 10 reps. Do your best. Control the movement. Stand and lunge. That's 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. Last one. So I'm 9 minutes in. I'm off my target pace. But I'm hopefully on pace to still beat my time from last week, even with the added difficulty of the different size plyo boxes and the temperature. So we have 2 more rounds. I'm gonna try to talk less and see if I can pick up the pace a little bit and come closer to my goal of 24 minutes. Here we go. 20 bunny hops. Stick with the lower plyo box if you want to. I'm switching to the higher one for a little added challenge. Here we go. Step up, jump up, reverse lunge. 2, do 10 on each side. 3. 4. 10. Switching legs. Okay, that's 10. Back to bunny hops. 20 reps. I'm resting because I'm fatigued and I need a few seconds and to catch my breath and regain some strength. If you don't need the rest, don't take it. You know what we're doing now, so don't wait for me. Go ahead. Okay, push-ups. That's only 15. You have to do 5 more, but again, you just need a quick rest. Only 5 more reps left. Before we move on to our last exercise, we need to do another set of 20 bunny hops. Okay, now exercise is pistol squats. These are really hard for me on this low plyo box. Just gonna do my best. Here we go. 10 reps on each leg. Pistol squat into a side lunge, I should say. That's the exercise. That's 1 rep. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. Last one. And that's 10. I'm doing my best to really control the movement on the way down. It's just hard on this little box. It's so hard. Okay. Last 10 reps. And then we're through with round 2. Here we go. Is taking just about as long as it took last week, so let's talk about what that might mean afterwards. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10 minutes per round. So we just have 1 round left. I'm going to recalibrate and set my goal for 30 minutes. Last week I finished in 32:10. So if I can beat that, I'll be happy. But again, I'm going to try to pick up the pace a little. And I'm going to try to see if I can finish in under 30. Okay, last round. Starting with 20 bunny hops. Here we go. Well, in spite of my much closer proximity to sea level, I'm still feeling incredibly fatigued. But we're not quite done. To do 20 push-ups. difficult, you can elevate your feet instead of your hands. I am struggling quite enough. Thank you, very none. I will stick with hands on the baby plyo box. Here we go. Only halfway through the set. I have to do 10 more push-ups. So I'm gonna break them up. I'm just gonna do a little mini set of 5 and then repeat that. And then move on to our last set of bunny hops. Come on, we're getting there, you guys. I need 2 little mini sets of 5. Just to make it more manageable for myself. That's 15. Just 5 more. That's 20. We're almost there. One more quick little set of 20 bunny hops. And then we just have to finish up with our pistol squats. Do our bonus burpee, and we're all done. Okay, bunny hops, here we go. Okay, we've reached the last exercise. So, yay, but for me, this is without a doubt the most difficult one. And I know I've said it 16 times already, but especially on this low plyo box, I'm really struggling. So, I might not even beat my time from last week. Let's hurry up. We got 2 minutes to finish these. Last 10 reps. Only 5. I still have to do 5 more. These are so hard. On this low plyo box. Okay, 5 more. Ah. 6. 4 more. Keep pushing. 7. 3 more. 8. Oh, sweet Lord Jesus. 2 more. 9. Last one. 10. Okay. Just 1 rep left. And that's our bonus burpee. Last week, when I did this workout, since I had the little step there, and I was using the step for all of the exercises instead of a regular burpee, I decided for my bonus burpee to do a box jump burpee. So I'll do that again today. I'm definitely using my baby plyo box for this one. I don't think I have enough strength in my legs to jump up onto the bigger plyo box. So let's just do our bonus burpee, and then we are officially finished with the workout. I need just a couple of minutes to cool down, towel off, and hydrate, and then stick around because I'll walk you through how to do these exercises. If you don't have plyo boxes or a sturdy chair or a bench or something that you can step and jump on to do the exercises the way I was doing them, so don't go anywhere. So today that took me 34 minutes and 17 seconds, which is 2 minutes and 7 seconds slower than I did it last week. And I thought I would be a lot faster today. I was 10 minutes and 17 seconds off of my goal. I missed my goal by 10 minutes and 17 seconds. So it's possible that I miscalculated how much the high altitude affected my performance. It's also possible that I miscalculated how much longer it would take me by increasing the difficulty by adjusting the sizes of the step I was using for each exercise. It's also possible that I misjudged both of those things. Or it's possible that I don't have enough fuel in me. I haven't eaten since, it is now after 2 p.m. I haven't eaten lunch yet. I haven't eaten since my breakfast, which I ate at about 8 o'clock this morning. So that's like 6 hours with no fuel. So that could be a factor. Obviously, like I said, it's hot today. It's in the low 90s. Let me see. Yeah, so it's 89 degrees here now. And when I shot this last week, the high was only in the low 70s and I shot it in the morning. So it's probably a solid 20 degrees hotter. So, you know, all of these things could play a factor. It's hard to say. But as always, the only important thing is that I got in a great workout today and I pushed myself really hard. But let me just show you what I'm talking about with increasing the level of difficulty just by adjusting the height of the step a little bit. So for those step ups, obviously it's harder the higher you're stepping up. Each rep is going to take a lot more, it's going to be a lot more strenuous. It's going to take a lot more effort to get up. On this lower step, I can do these quite quickly. And for the rest of the exercises, the opposite is true. The higher box is going to make it a lot easier. So the bunny hops, there's really not that much difference, but it's a little easier on the higher platform. But with the push-ups, if you are elevating your hands, the higher you elevate your hands, the easier the push-up is going to be. And the reverse is true. If you were elevating your feet and you want to increase the difficulty, you're going to want a higher surface to elevate your feet on. So it's opposite. But for these, I mean, this is actually quite a bit easier than the lower step. But the real kicker, the exercise that was the most challenging and slowed me down the most was the pistol squats. Obviously on a higher surface, they're just so much easier. So if I was doing them on this higher surface, here I'm already down in my pistol squat. I can do these easily without even cheating, without even tapping the ceiling to the ground. And even after I've done the entire workout and I'm fatigued, I can still do these quite quickly. So you can see the difference that the height of your elevated surface makes. It's quite significant. So now very quickly, before I say goodbye, I just want to demonstrate a few modifications. If you don't have a plyo box or something similar that you can use, you can still do the entire workout right along with me. Here's how you're going to modify everything. I'm just using an exercise mat. If you don't have an exercise mat, a towel will be fine. If you're working out on a carpeted floor or in the park, like on grass, on soft grass, you probably won't even need that. But for the bunny hops, you can do them right on the mat. Just have your hands on the mat. I have my feet to one side, and I'm just gonna hop from side to side with that over the mat. Just like that. Each hop counts as one rep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, super easy. For the next exercise, if you don't have anything to step up on, then obviously you have to eliminate the step up part of the exercise. So you can just do a reverse lunge and a jump up. And that's it. That can be your modification. So lunge back, jump up, and jump. You'll do 10 reps on each leg. So switching to the other side, lunge back, jump up. Same goes for the push-ups. If you don't have a surface to elevate your hands or your feet on, then obviously you're not going to elevate your hands or your feet. So you just do regular push-up, and then knee tuck, knee tuck. Push-up, knee tuck, knee tuck. If you need to do the push-ups from your knees, then you do knee push-up, and then if you can, come up into the plank, knee tuck, and knee tuck. Back to the knees, push up to the plank, knee tuck, knee tuck. If the knee tucks are too difficult, you can always eliminate them, in which case maybe you could try doing push-up from your knees, and then maybe shoulder tap, push up, shoulder tap, something like that. There are countless push-up variations, so just pick one that works for you. If you need help, if you're a super duper beginner and you think you can't do push-ups, please reach out to me, because yes, you can, and I'm always more than happy to demonstrate to you beginner modifications for push-ups that really anyone can do. The last exercise was assisted pistol squats. Assisted because we had a surface that we were sitting on. If you are strong enough to do unassisted pistol squats, then by all means, do unassisted pistol squats. I used to be strong enough to do them on my right leg. I don't think I was ever able to really do them on my left leg. So I pretty much always have something to sit on. So a chair or something is fine for the pistol squats. It's not like it needs to be as sturdy as, you know, something like for the step ups. However, if you don't have anything or you just don't feel comfortable doing pistol squats, it's fine. Just do regular air squats and then throw in a side lunge. So what you'll do in that case is just do a set of 20 squats and you'll alternate sides for the lunge with each rep, okay? So you'll just squat down, lunge to the side, that's 1. Then you'll squat and lunge to the other side, that's 2. Squat, lunge, that's 3. That's 4. So I think that's everything. As always, if you need help with beginner modifications or if there's anything that's unclear and you have questions, please just reach out to me. I'm always here. I'm always more than happy to help. If you did this workout with me today, please let me know what you thought of it and how you did. That's it for today, and I will see you all next time. Bye.